I think there is some program in the college at 3:30. Golab sir had shared the link of that Zoom meeting. Mm, some inauguration program, I think. You are going to attend that program? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? So you are going to attend that program at 3:30? Hmm? Okay, I will continue the lecture. I will continue the lecture then. Let that program start because lecture is also important. Okay. Today we will start with toxicology. As I told you yesterday. As I told you yesterday. Yes, yes. Hmm? Komal, mute yourself. Okay, I will start. So last lecture we have seen some topics from forensic medicine. We have seen impotency and sterility. Impotency and sterility, causes of impotency and sterility in male as well as female. Uh, then we have seen legitimacy. Then artificial insemination, surrogate motherhood, test tube baby, all the small topics we have covered in the last lecture. Okay, now we will switch to toxicology. So today we will see next group of poisons from toxicology. So that is deliriant poison. Now deliriant poison comes under which classification? Deliriant poison comes under which classification? Anyone? Irritants. Okay, irritant subclassification. Neurotics, the poisons which are acting on the nervous system. Now neurotics are further classified into, yes, very simple, we have completed classification of poisons. Anyone? Yes, cerebral, spinal and peripheral. Poisons acting on cerebrum, poisons acting on spinal cord, and poisons acting on peripheral nerves. So again, cerebral poisons are further divided into, cerebral poisons are again divided into somniferous, inebriants, that barbiturates and all, and these deliriant poisons, deliriant, anesthetics, barbiturates and all, they will be inebriant poisons. So this is the subclassification of cerebral poison, that is deliriant poisons. So there are a few deliriant poisons are there in your syllabus. We will see one by one. So first is thorn apple. So first is thorn apple. Uh, the common name of datura is thorn apple. So the poison, which is very commonly, most frequently asked poison in the theory exam is datura. So common name of datura is thorn apple. I think you might have seen the plant. You might have seen the plant of datura. It grows anywhere. It grows anywhere in the west places all over the India. And common name is thorn apple. Now you know why it is called as thorn apple? Anyone? Very simple. Have you seen the fruit of datura? हाँ, so how it looks? कैसा रहता है उसका fruit, कैसा रहता है धतूरा का? हाँ, it is having spikes. It is having thorns on its surface. That's why it is called as thorn apple. So all along the circumference of that fruit of datura, there are so many spikes. So many thorns are there. That's why it is called as thorn apple. It grows all over India, all the west places. मीन्स एनिवेअर अगदी बांधावर कुठेही गटाराजवळ उकिरड्याजवळ कचऱ्याजवळ कुठेही इट ग्रोज ऑल ओव्हर द वेस्ट प्लेसेस all over the India. So there is no any specific geographical distribution for that. It grows all over the India. And there are two types of dhatura which we commonly see all around. आपण घराच्या आजूबाजूला शेतात बांधावर इकडे तिकडे इवन आपल्या कॉलेजमध्ये सुद्धा कॉलेजच्या बिल्डिंगच्या समोर आपला झेंडा आहे ना, जिथे आपण झेंडावंदनाचा कार्यक्रम करतो, समोरची गार्डन त्याच्या आजूबाजूला सुद्धा खूप सारी धतुराची झाडं आहेत. दीज ऑल आर हॅव्हिंग white flowers. So dhatura with white flowers is called as dhatura alba, and dhatura with dark colored purple or black flowers is called as dhatura niger. Fruits are spherical. Fruits are spherical with thorns or spike on the surface. One fruit contains brown seeds which are around 450 to 500, very small seeds, weighing around 450 to 500 seeds are there which weigh around 8 gram. And on an average 100 seeds are having weight of 1 gram. And all parts of the plant are poisonous, but the most poisonous part is seeds, which seeds are present in the fruit, that is 450 to 500 seeds are present in one mature fruit. So these seeds and fruit are the most poisonous part of all. Now, see, you might have seen this so many times. बघितलं असेल ना, घराच्या आजूबाजूला कुठेही रस्त्याच्या कडेला शेतात वगैरे कुठेही दिसतं हे, दॅट इज बेल शेप्ड फ्लावर. बेल शेप्ड फ्लावर अँड दिस इज फ्रूट. This is fruit which is having spikes all over. When it is green immature, these spikes you can easily flex. म्हणजे तुम्ही असं जोरात दाबलं तरी ते तुमच्या हाताला टोचणार नाही, ते तुटून जातील किंवा दे आर फ्लेक्सिबल, दे आर नॉट सो शार्प. बट when the fruit gets dried, these spikes will become very sharp, and they will even penetrate. So these are the images of white alba, what we see commonly near our house, farm, and anywhere in the garden also. So you will see so many plants or shrubs of dhatura, that is white dhatura, which is dhatura alba. You can see the white flowers and the seeds, sorry, the fruit containing the seeds. Now we'll see the active principle. Again, this is very commonly asked as a 2-mark question. What are the active principles of dhatura? Very commonly asked 2-mark question. Active principles of dhatura are, that you will have to remember: leohyoscyamin, hyoscine, scopolamine, atropine, and some alkaloids. So most important are leohyoscyamin, hyoscine, and atropine. Atropine is the most important. Atropine. Then alkaloids. What are the characteristic of alkaloids of dhatura? Alkaloids will behave like alkali. Alkaloids, their action is like alkali, because when they combine with the acid, they will give rise to formation of salt. So they are having some characteristics of alkali, and these alkaloids mainly act on the central nervous system. Alkaloids act mainly on the central nervous system. That's why we have given, or we have mentioned this dhatura poison under neurotics, under the neurotic poisons, because it acts on the central nervous system and particularly on the cerebrum, and it comes under the subclass deliriant poisons. And all the alkaloids are having their own individual action. Alkaloids of dhatura will stimulate the higher centers in the brain, and then they will inhibit. This is the basic pathology. This is the basic action of dhatura. Dhatura will inhibit, or these alkaloids of dhatura will inhibit the secretions. Who is making noise? Prachi, Asha, madam is there. Madam, please mute yourself. Madam, okay. Prachi madam has also joined us. This is she is our new staff member. Madam, please mute yourself. It's noise is there. Prachi madam, please mute yourself. Madam, please mute. Madam, please mute yourself. Is it Dr. Prachi Shinde? Yes, yes, madam, please mute yourself. Huh? So it's just making a bit noise is there. Please mute yourself so that I will continue with the lecture. Huh, madam, please mute yourself. Huh? Okay, I will continue. I will continue. Madam, please mute yourself. Okay. Fine, I will continue. So, active principles of Datura are levohyoscine, hyoscine, scopolamine, and atropine, and some alkaloids are there. So, alkaloids are having their main action on the central nervous system. These alkaloids will act on the higher center. They will stimulate the higher centers in the brain and will inhibit the secretions of saliva. So saliva secretion will be stopped, sweating will be suppressed, it will dilate the blood vessels and will cause dilatation of pupil. All these things, this is the basic pathology, and what clinical features are developed because of these pathological changes, that I will tell you when we will discuss the clinical features or signs and symptoms of Datura poisoning. So Datura or these alkaloids and active principles will inhibit the secretions of saliva will be suppressed, sweat secretion will be suppressed, that's why body will become dry, mouth will become dry, the blood vessels will get dilated and the pupils will also be dilated. And this stimulation of the higher center will be soon followed by depression. So again here also the poison will, as we have discussed in a few other poisons like alcohol, opium and all, first stage, the initial stage of poisoning will be excitement or stimulation, and it will be followed by depression, and then the coma will follow. So the first stage will be of excitement will be followed by depression. Now we'll see signs and symptoms of Datura poisoning. Just in short, I have mentioned the signs and symptoms of Datura poisoning. So signs and symptoms of Datura poisoning, you can remember with these five small tips. That is dry as a bone. The person will become dry. Now you might have handled the bones in the anatomy department during practicals from your bone set. So how the bones are? Bones are absolutely dry. So the body will become dry. Why? Because the sweating has been suppressed. The sweating is completely stopped. In case of Datura poisoning, because of its action of the alkaloids, the sweating is suppressed. That's why the body will become dry as a bone, then red as a beet. Red as a beet. Now you might have seen beet. हम खाते हैं ना सलाद में. What is beet? It is red in color. That's why the person, उसके skin, उसके body का color red बन जाएगा. क्यों red होगा? Because of dilated blood vessels. Because of the dilatation of the blood vessels. Then blind as a bat. Bat, it is considered as bats are blind. They cannot see anything. Bat. What is bat? What waghul? The bats are considered to be blind. They just travel or fly with the help of those sound waves, and they come to know what is coming across their road, and they change their direction depending upon those sound waves they are liberating. So the person becomes blind as a bat. Why blind? Again, we will go to pathology. Blind because of dilated pupils. So because of the dilated pupils, his vision will be blurred. Then hot as a hair. Why hot as a hair? Again, because of increased body temperature. Dilated blood vessels will cause increased body temperature. So the person will have heat, that peripherally you can feel all the limbs and the body as hot. Hot as the hair म्हणजे भट्टी. भट्टी सारखा गरम होतो माणूस. And mad as a wet hen because of involvement of the higher centers. He will lose control over his intelligence centers and all those higher centers in the brain. and the person will become mad as well. So you can remember the signs and symptoms of Datura poisoning cat. The person will become dry as a bone, red as a beet, blind as a bat because of dilated pupils, hot as a hare, bhatti sarki garam, and mad as wet hen. Now, the poisoning passes through two stages. The poisoning passes through two stages. So first is stage of delirium and stage of coma. Just we have seen the first stage. The initial stage of poisoning will be excitement, excitement of all, or the stimulation of all the higher centers in the brain, and will be followed by depression of the centers, will lead to unconsciousness and even coma in severe cases. So when any person will swallow these seeds of dhatura, when any person will swallow these seeds of dhatura, there will be intense bitter taste in the mouth because those seeds are very bitter. अत्यंत कडू असतात ती चवीला. There will be bitter taste in the mouth, and immediately the person will get dryness of the mouth and throat because, as we have seen in pathology, there is inhibition of saliva. The saliva will be inhibited, and that's why there will be dryness of mouth and throat. And because now you know functions of saliva, for speaking, for swallowing, for making the bolus of the food, for easy movement of the tongue and all. But because the mouth has become dry, the throat has become dry, patient will have difficulty in talking. So there will be difficult speech. There will be dysphagia because of drying of the throat. What is dysphagia? What is dysphagia? Anyone? Difficulty in? Yes, what is dysphagia? Difficulty swallowing. Yes, yes, difficulty in swallowing. So patient will have dysphagia because of absence of saliva, inhibition of saliva, and intense thirst. जैसे मुंह सूखा हो जाएगा, गला सूख जाएगा, so patient will have thirst. बहुत ज़्यादा प्यास लगेगी उसको. Then next feature is flushed face. Flushed face is because of dilatation of the cutaneous blood vessels. उसके superficial blood vessel जो है, so all the superficial blood vessels will get dilated. Peripheral blood vessels will be dilated, and that's why उसका चेहरा लाल दिखेगा. The flushed face will be there. Pupils are dilated, which are insensitive to light. This is very important characteristic or very important action of atropine. That is the important active principle of the Tura. So pupils are dilated and insensitive to light. Now we have seen uh, where this atropine, or where this atropine is used in the treatment of which poisoning. We have seen, I think, in the last poison. In which poisons treatment, in which poisoning treatment this atropine is used? I had told you in the treatment part. Okay, which poison causes constriction of the pupil? Pinpoint pupil. I had told you, pinpoint pupil, that is the pupils are constricted. Anyone? It is organophosphorus poisoning. I told you in the last, the previous poison only, just before the Dhatura, we have completed the last poison we have finished. That is Dhatura, organophosphorus poisoning. So what happens in organophosphorus poisoning? The pupils are pinpoint. Pupils are pinpoint, constricted, not responding to light. So what we will give? Atropine. Because what is the action of atropine? Atropine will cause dilatation of the pupil. So you will go on giving, you will have to go on giving this atropine injection till the pupils are get widely dilated, till the body becomes warm, till the body becomes dry. So what we call it as, all the symptoms of atropine will come to the body, or come to that patient because of administering those massive doses of atropine. What we call it as, I told you the term atropinized. The patient is fully atropinized, so that all the symptoms of atropine will take charge of the body. So that is the treatment part of organophosphorus poisoning. We have seen it in detail. So pupils are dilated, insensitive to light, and because of that power of accommodation is lost, leading to disturbed vision. Now you can just revise it. Dry as a bone because of suppression of sweat, red as a beet because of dilatation of peripheral blood vessels, blind as a bat because of dilatation of the pupils, hot as a hair because of increased peripheral blood flow because of dilatation of peripheral blood vessels, and mad as the vein, that we will see, mad as a wet hen because of involvement of the higher centers, and mental symptoms will also come there. So raised body temperature will make the skin red and hot and dry. That is because of inhibition of the sweat glands. Patient can develop vomiting because locally these seeds of dhatura will stimulate the gastric mucosa. They will cause local irritant action on the gastric mucosa and will cause vomiting, as well as the centers in the brain will or in the medulla will also be stimulated, causing vomiting, and patient can have giddiness and staggering gait. Giddiness मतलब चक्कर आना शुरू होगा भी पेशेंट को. पेशेंट विल गेट गिडीनेस एंड देयर विल बी स्टैगरिंग गेट, मतलब सीधा एक लाइन में चल नहीं पाएगा, बिल्कुल ऐसे लगेगा जैसे वो दारू पी के चल रहा है, जस्ट लाइक अ ड्रंकार्ड. दैट गेट इज कॉल्ड अ ड्रंकार्ड गेट. So the symptom, again I will revise. So symptoms and signs are inhibition of saliva. There will be intense bitter taste in the mouth. Inhibition of the saliva will cause dryness of mouth and throat. That will make the speaking difficult. That will make swallowing difficult. And patient will have intense thirst. Flushed face because of dilatation of the superficial blood vessels. Pupils are widely dilated. Characteristic feature of Dhatura poisoning. Pupils are widely dilated, which are insensitive. Even you put the torch, even if you put the light with the help of torch, they will not constrict. Now you know normal physiology, when you will put the light into the eyes, the pupil should constrict, but under the influence of atropine, if the pupils are dilated, they will not undergo constriction. uh, that is the so much wide and severe dilatation of the pupils is there. Then power of accommodation is lost, which will make the vision difficult. Body temperature is raised, making the skin red and hot and also dry. That is because of inhibition of the sweat gland. Vomiting and giddiness and staggering. These are the signs and symptoms of Dhatura poisoning in early stage. So mind is affected early, because we have seen it will cause stimulation of the higher centers. So in early stage of poisoning, along with all the symptoms we have seen in the previous slide, so patient will become restless, confused, and will become delirious. There will be delirium. Patient will go on talking maybe irrelevant things. So restless, confused, and deliriant patient will use the indistinct words, that is delirium. So will mutter, that is low muttering delirium. So in it the patient will mutter the indistinct words, मतलब वो उसे खुद को भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा है वो क्या बोल रहा है और सामने वाले को भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि वो क्या बोल रहा है. So indistinct words. Patient occasionally, some patient a few patients can become noisy and violent. एकदम ऐसा rowdy हो जाएगा patient. So patient can become noisy and violent. Then there can be visual and auditory hallucination. Visual and auditory hallucinations, मतलब what is by hallucinations? The things which are not present उसे दिखेंगे सुनाई देंगे. So उसे imaginary आवाजें सुनाई देगी. So the patient with this Dhatura poisoning will have auditory hallucinations. जो कोई बोल नहीं रहा है, दूसरे आजू बाजू उसके साथ जो अटेंडेंट है उनको सुनाई नहीं दे रहा, लेकिन उससे कुछ तो अलग अलग लोगों की आवाजें सुनाई देगी. That is auditory hallucination. And visual hallucinations as well. So he will see the imaginary things. तो उसे कहीं चूहा दिखेगा, सांप दिखेगा, like that. So visual और कोई भी imaginary कोई person भी उसे दिखेगा उसके आजू बाजू में. So like that, visual and auditory hallucinations will be there. They are because of involvement of the higher center. And the person tries to grasp the imaginary object, जो कि उसके पास नहीं है, उसके आजू बाजू में नहीं है, will try to grasp the imaginary objects, will pick his clothes, कपड़े फाड़ेगा, tries to pull the imaginary threads from the fingers, like that. He will go on doing these some mad things. See, I will try to pull out the imaginary threads. ऐसे जैसे कि उसके उंगली में कुछ फंसा हुआ है, ऐसे निकाले, कपड़े फाड़ेगा, उसे आजू बाजू में कोई इमेजिनरी लोग दिखेंगे, imaginary sound सुनाई देंगे. So these all are because of the involvement of the higher centers. Will try to pull the imaginary things, will try to pull the imaginary threads from the fingertips, और कपड़े में से भी वो कुछ ऐसी चीजें निकालने की कोशिश करेगा जो कि नहीं है वहां. Then this delirium or this stage of excitement and delirium will pass within an hour. It will pass within an hour, and now the patient will go into the next stage, into the second stage, that is stupor, stage of stupor. Now here the patient will become drowsy. All these excited centers will be suppressed. All these stimulated higher centers will get suppressed, and the patient will go into the stage of stupor. coma and death. Now this last sentence is very important. Fatal end is very rare. मतलब धतूरा खाके, धतूरा के सीड्स खाके कोई मर गया है, that is very rare. Fatal end is very rare. The person recovers, usually the person recovers very nicely from this dhatura poisoning. So this death with dhatura poisoning is very rare. So these are the clinical features. Involvement of the higher centers will cause initially excitement with restless, confusion of mind and delirium. The person will mutter the indistinct words, uh, occasionally can become noisy and violent, and there can be visual and auditory hallucinations. Then we'll try to grasp the imaginary objects. ऐसा लगेगा जैसे वो कुछ तो रस्सी खींचने की कोशिश कर रहा है, किसी को पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा है, हवा में ये हाथ मार रहा है, वो किसी को पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा है, किसी को नोचने की कोशिश कर रहा है. लाइक ट्राइज टू grasp the imaginary objects. Will pick his clothes, will try to pull imaginary threads from his fingertips, from his skin. And soon this stage of excitement will pass. Then person will become drowsy, all the higher centers will get depressed, will go into coma, and occasionally the person can die. Now, I have summarized all these symptoms. So, what are the symptoms we have studied in these two slides? Clinical features of Datura poisoning. What are the symptoms we have seen in these two slides? I have summarized them as D's of Datura. So, the whole poisoning of Datura you can remember with D. The Datura spelling, Datura starts with letter D. So all the signs and symptoms of Datura also start with D. So first is dryness. Why dryness? Anyone? Why dryness? Just revise. Why dryness? Now, come on, I have just told you a few minutes back. Why there is dryness of skin? Why there is dryness of mouth? Yes, no one? अरे अभी 10 मिनट भी नहीं हुए अभी बोल के मैंने. Why there is dryness of the skin? Kunal, why there is dryness? Why there is dryness of the mouth? Why there is dryness of the eyes? नामदेवराव आहेत का? नामदेवराव, नामदेव. Yes, Namdev, unmute yourself. Namdev, why there is dryness of the skin? Why there is dryness of the mouth? Why there is dryness of the throat? Why there is dryness of the eyes? Yes, not a single one. ऐकता की काय करता रे तुम्ही लेक्चर? 5 मिनिटं तरी झालीत का तुम्हाला सांगून का तिथे ड्रायनेस असतो पेशंटला? Yes, anyone? Anyone? This is absolutely useless and ridiculous. Huh? You don't attend the lecture, I think. You just keeping the mobile on, keeping the meeting on, and I don't know what you are doing. I will have to ask all the students to start your videos as well. So that I will come to know who is really listening, attending the lecture, and who is not. Just starting the mobile and going somewhere. Yes, why there is dryness? Anyone? Pallavi Kathe, Pallavi, unmute yourself. Shivani, why there is dryness? नो वन. काय फायदा रे माझी एवढी बडबड करून, एवढी मेहनत करून, एवढं इनिबिशन ऑफ सलाइवा and हा, what will happen because of suppression of sweat gland? The body will become dry because there will be no sweating, no perspiration. What will happen to the conjunctiva? What will happen to the eyes? Eyes will also become dry. What will happen to the mouth and throat? Because of suppression of saliva, patient will have difficult speech, difficult swallowing. Start your videos. Let me see what people are doing. Start your videos. प्रांजलि, हर्षदा, मानसी, भाग्यश्री, काजल, पल्लवी, प्रीति, प्रियंका, वैष्णवी, शुभांगी, ऋतुजा, दिव्यश्री, लिशिता, वैष्णवी, सुप्रिया, वैष्णवी वाघमारे, तन्वी, भावना, नम्रता, साक्षी, युक्ता, प्रियंका. Come on, start your videos. Let me see what you are doing. Let me see your faces. 7 महीने से किसी का भी चेहरा नहीं दिखा. चलो दिखाओ मुझे, अब सभी लोग चेहरे दिखाओ. तेजस्विनी, इकरा, अलिशा, श्रद्धा. शो मी युअर फेसेस. अरे पोरांची नावच दिसत आहे मला. पोरं आहेत की नाही? नामदेवराव एक दिसला मला. नामदेव. पोरं आहेत की नाही लेक्चरला? चलो स्टार्ट युअर व्हिडिओ. चलो लेट अस सी. विल टॉक फेस टू फेस. चलो जल्दी. स्टार्ट युअर व्हिडिओज एव्हरीवन. एकच झाला तशीच चालू. भाग्यश्री, दिव्यश्री, व्हेरी गुड. कोमल, श्रद्धा. 4 व्हिडिओ चालू झालेत. झोपेतून उठल्यासारख्या दिसतात सगळ्या. नेमकं झोपेच्या वेळामध्येच माझं लेक्चर असतं ना, दुपारचं. बरोबर ना? काय रे, एवढंच माहित नाही का तुम्हाला? आता मी सिंपल 4 वेळा समजून सांगितलं. दतुरा कॉजेस सप्रेशन ऑफ ऑल द सिक्रेटरी ग्लँड्स लाईक स्वेट, लॅक्रिमेशन, देन युअर सलायवा. इट कॉज ड्रायनेस. सिंपल, व्हेरी सिंपल. एका ओळीचं उत्तर फक्त. एवढा वेळ लागतो का त्याला? कुठं लक्ष असतं, काय करत असतात काय माहित. चलो विल सी डीज ऑफ धतुरा. सो फर्स्ट नाउ यू टेल मी. चलो वन बाय वन. अजिबात वेळ घालू नका. आता पटापटा सांगा. व्हाय देर इज ड्रायनेस? Suppression of sweat, suppression of saliva. Okay. Second symptom is difficult talking. Why there is difficult talking? This difficult talking is dysphagia. Why there is dysphagia? का होतो पेशंटला डिस्फेजिया? अरे काय रे पोरांनो तुम्ही. व्हाय देर इज डिस्फेजिया? आपण कशामुळे स्मूथ. Difficulty in talking and difficulty in swallowing is because of what? कशामुळे difficult swallowing? Dryness of mouth. Yes, suppression of saliva. Dryness of mouth and dryness of throat will cause. How? Dryness of mouth will cause difficult talking. Then why there is dysphagia? Dryness of throat. And why there is dryness of mouth and throat? That is because of suppression of the सलायवेशन. सलायवेशन पूर्णपणे बंद होऊन जातं. तोंड अगदी कोरडं होऊन जातं. घसा कोरडा होऊन जातो. दॅट्स वाय पेशंट विल हॅव डिफिकल्टी इन टॉकिंग अँड डिफिकल्टी इन स्वॅलोईंग. देन why there again dilatation of the blood vessel. Dilatation of the blood vessel will cause redness of the body. I'm just telling you these the conditions starting with the D's that will make the remembering this datura poisoning very easy. So they all have been enlisted as D's of Dhatura. So dryness of all the mucous membrane, dryness of the skin, difficulty in talking, dysphagia, dilatation of blood vessels, dilated pupils. That is very important feature of Dhatura. That is dilatation of the pupils. Dry skin because of dry skin is because of suppression of sweat. Then drunken gait. Why there is drunken gait? Because of involvement of the higher centers. Because of involvement of the higher center, there will be difficulty in walking. दारुड्यासारखं चालतो. दॅट्स वाय इट इज कॉल्ड अ ड्रंकन गेट. त्याला सरळ एका रेषेत चालता येत नाही, असं झोकांड्या खात तोल गेल्यासारखा चालतो. दॅट इज ड्रंकन गेट. Delirium is because of suppression of the higher centers. Higher centers are depressed, that's why patient will have delirium. And drowsiness, that is the last stage of poisoning. First stage is excitement and second stage is suppression of the higher centers will cause drowsiness. So these all are the signs and symptoms of धतुरा पॉइझनिंग. यू कॅन रिमेंबर. एवढं जरी तुम्ही लिहिलं पेपरमध्ये आणि प्रत्येकासमोर 2-2 ओळी लिहिल्या तरी तुमची 2 पानं भरतील आणि यू विल गेट फुल मार्क्स. And you can mention it as D's of Dhatura. Just like this, D's of Dhatura. So you can write dryness because of suppression of all the secretions, difficult talking, difficult swallowing, dilatation of the blood vessels, dilatation of the pupils, dryness of the skin, drunkard like gait, delirium, and drowsiness. Drowsiness means झोप येईल पेशंटला and will go into coma. So these all are the D's of Dhatura. कळलं का? लक्षात राहील? कळते का? The basic pathology and how this pathology will cause those all these clinical features which are starting with D, the letter D. That's why we have enlisted it as D's of Dhatura. You are getting? कळते का प्रत्येकाला? काही अडचण इथपर्यंत आता क्लिनिकल फीचर्स पर्यंत? Now fatal dose. Fatal dose of Dhatura. Fatal dose of Dhatura is around 100 to 125 seeds. एका फळामध्ये धतुराच्या एका फळामध्ये किती सीड्स असतात? हाऊ मेनी सीड्स आर देअर इन वन फ्रूट? काय करतात ती पोरं? झोपा काढतात का लेक्चरला? एका किती आहे? 450 to 500. And what is the poisonous dose? एका फळामध्ये 450 to 500 seeds are there which are weighing around 8 grams. And the fatal dose is 100 to 125 seeds. म्हणजे एका फळामधून साधारण 4 माणसांना पॉइझनिंग होईल. एका फळामधून साधारण 4 माणसांना पॉइझनिंग होईल एवढे सीड्स असतात त्याच्यामध्ये. सो फॅटल डोस इज अराउंड 100 to 125 seeds. And if the pure alkaloid, the pure tincture of Dhatura has been extracted, its fatal dose is 60 milligrams. So the dose is very small, very small. 60 milligram for adult and 4 milligram for children. And death occurs within 24 hours. It is very rare. पण तरी एखाद्या पेशंट मध्ये खूपच सिव्हिअर पॉइझनिंग झालं, it will cause death within 24 hours. Okay, should we stop here? बस झालं का आजच्या पुरतं? ओके, बघा मग आता तो कार्यक्रम चालू असेल तर यू कॅन अगेन जॉईन दॅट प्रोग्राम.